Hello, Degree, welcome back. Good to see you. And actually, we will see each other at 10:30 today. And we are going to have online math lesson. So I would like you to have your maths notebook ready with you. We are going to solve some word problems today. So be ready with your math notebook and something to write with, probably a pen or pencil. So see you at 10:30. And there is one more homework for you for this week. I would like you to remember I would like you to have a chocolate cookie for the lesson on Friday. Okay? So you've got a week. Ask your parents if they can to buy chocolate cookie. Okay? So there need to be some pieces of chocolate in the cookie, and you will also need a toothpick. So that's for Friday. We are going to use a cookie and a toothpick for a short task on Friday. So if it's possible, I would like you to have it on Friday. Okay. If you've got any problems with the kind of cookie, or if you've got any problem with the cookie, with getting the cookie, we will figure something out, and I will organize different kind of classes. But I hope that everyone will be able to get one. Okay, and now, as I said on maths, we are practicing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division word problems, and that's going to be our online lesson. After the lesson, you will be given a homework, which is actually already uploaded on Google Drive. So, and the folder is as usually editable, so you can either do it online or download the documents, fill it in, and then save it and upload it into your folder, or just print it out and then send me the photo, or just write down the answers in your math notebook. Okay, three options as usual. For English, spelling words for the next spelling test. So you've got the link on for the spellings for the Quizlet, sorry, and I would like you to write the words, write them down in your English notebook. And what's more, in your diaries, I would like you to tell me about your weekend. Okay, how did you spend those 3 days? I hope you did something interesting, and I would like to read about it. So 5 sentences as usually, and that's it. And for unit of inquiry. Okay, so we are going to talk about fossil fuels. So, and we know that fossil fuels, they include oil, coal, and natural gas. And they are called fossil fuels because they are like fossils. Yeah, so they are the remains of organisms that lived long time ago. And that's what we are going to discuss this week actually. But I would like you first to make your own homemade sourdough fossils. So for today, you will have to prepare sourdough. I hope you've got the ingredients because you just need flour, salt, and some water. So the recipe is here, attached into your plan, and there is also a document on Google Drive with the recipe for the homemade sourdough, and the whole instruction is also here. So you just make the sourdough, you mix all the ingredients, and then I would like you to, if the sourdough is ready, when the sourdough is ready, I want you to make like a round, a kind of pancakes, let's say, and then you can either stand or use something sharp like a fork or toothpick and draw your own fossils. It may be the remains of some plants, some animals. It can be a dinosaur or a bone. Okay, so after you stamp or you draw in the sourdough fossil, you need to dry it out. You may use the oven to do that. Okay, or you might simply use your windowsill or a sunny place. So leave it for 2 days probably. and then you can paint it, or if you use the oven, it will be ready after 2 hours usually. Not a high temperature, not very high temperature, rather low one, okay, if you want to dry it in the oven, so they won't be broken. Mm. And that's your main task for today. And what's more, I would like you to set up your own account on BrainPub. So you were given a password, like a code, okay? So I want you to, when you go on the BrainPub, the link is of course in the plan. So you find on the web page, enter code, and then you enter the code I gave you. Oh, sorry. It is a drill 5325. You submit, and then you will be asked either to log in or to create your account. And I would like you to create your account. You may need your parents' help or my help. I will stay after the lesson to help you with individual registration. Okay, so that's what we can do. We will need this BrainPub account for a short assessment I'm going to introduce tomorrow. Okay, so if you can do that till Tuesday, I would be very grateful, because on Tuesday you will have a task to watch a video and to solve short quiz. That's why I need the account. And there are also 2 more videos to be watched about Fossil Fuels, and the links are and the links are of course in our plan. Yeah, so watch those 2 videos, because on Tuesday we are going to discuss fossil fuels, and I would like you to know a bit about them. That's it for today. I hope the tasks are not complicated and you will have fun while baking a bit and making your own fossil fuels. So see you at 10:30 with your maths notebooks.